Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 examination was conducted on 15th of November, and a lot of students have been asking us that what could be the expected date for the results. So in this video we are going to predict that what could be the date on which the results for the Phase 2 examination be announced by IFSCA Grade A, right? So let us talk about it. But before we do that, first of all, let us see the past year trends with respect to this IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 examination, right? So if you talk about 2023, the exam was conducted on 13th of May. And if you talk about the result of this Phase 2 exam, it was on 30th of May, right? So the gap is of around 17 days. Now, if you talk about 2024, over here you can see the exam was conducted on 13th of October and the phase 2 result was announced on 26th of November. So you can see the time is of 44 days, 44 days का गैप है यहाँ पर. अब ये गैप इतना ज़्यादा क्यों है? अब इसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीजन तो हो सकते हैं, बट एक जो मुझे लगता है वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन कुड बी दैट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 2023 पेपर, it was only for the general stream, but this paper of 2024 it had multiple streams like general stream, legal stream, और भी streams थी यहाँ पर, तो वो एक फैक्टर हो सकता है, राइट? नाउ और क्या फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं जिस जो कि हम एक प्रोसेसिंग टाइम में कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कि रिजल्ट कब तक आएगा? वो है आई वुड से डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर आल्सो, व्हिच इज द इंग्लिश पेपर, राइट, व्हिच इज योर पेपर 1. तो क्योंकि ये मैन्युअली चेक होता है तो इसमें भी थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है, तो इसकी मदद से हम कह सकते हैं कि बेसिकली टाइम थोड़ा तो लगेगा, राइट? सो व्हाट कुड बी द डेट दैट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट ऑन विच द फेज 2 रिजल्ट कुड बी अनाउंस्ड फॉर द 2025? मुझे लगता है दैट इट कुड बी बिटवीन 20th ऑफ दिसंबर टू 30th ऑफ दिसंबर. ठीक है, तो 20 से 30 दिसंबर आप ये अभी तक लेके चल सकते हो अगर हम पास्ट ट्रेंड्स को कंसिडर करें. ठीक है, तो इस बीच अगर आपका कोई और एग्जाम है आप उसको भी टारगेट कीजिए, और साइड बाय साइड इफ यू थिंक दैट यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड वेल यू कैन prepare your mindset for the interview stage also, right? So that is going to help you, and stay optimistic. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, अब ना आपने एग्जाम दे दिया है, so don't overthink, right? Just have that self belief and move on. That's the idea. Now, before the end the session, let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you if you're preparing for various regulatory bodies examination. So you just have to go to this courses section, all courses में जाना है, and यहाँ पर जाके you can see that what type of courses do we provide, that for example EPFO, RBI, NABARD, IRDI, PFRDA, right? SBI PO, different examinations are there. So you can go and you can check out the details with respect to them, right? So for example, for RBI, there are different courses, right? Single courses is there, combo courses are there. You can see the details over the website. And in case of any confusion, any doubt, please feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you so much and all the best.